In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix Dx9.dll missing in Windows 11. So let's get started. Check your system type first. So go to the Windows search bar and type System Info. Click on it under the best match. Take note of your system type and then open a browser. Search for Visual C++ Redistributable and hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and you have to click the download link corresponding to your system type and click on the folder icon. Simply double click on it. Click on I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install and simply install this into your Windows 11. Now once done, just simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, also consider to update your Windows. Click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to download and install the updates for your Windows that comes with the necessary files that your machine needs. So simply update your Windows and then that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.